Hello, good people. Today I am going to show you how you can completely remove new Outlook from your desktop PC. For doing that, we have to uninstall it first, and for that, though this Outlook installed from Microsoft Store, so we have to uninstall it from going to the setting options of your Windows, and after that we need to go the installed apps options. So here is apps, then installed apps, and find out the Outlook. And when you will get that, that's uninstall it. So after doing that, we have to completely remove Outlook associated files from your PC. It could be Mac or Windows. So though I am using Windows, so I am going to the um, app data and find out the Microsoft, and in the folder of Microsoft we have to delete the Outlook associated folder completely. So I deleted that. Now we need to, okay. So I'm checking that is there any other file or folders that associated with the Outlook. So we have to install classic Outlook. So if we search on the browser, so there is no direct download options to download that Outlook Classics. So I prefer that Microsoft Store to install that. So it takes some times. Actually, it will install your Microsoft 365 Outlooks, and there has options to switch back to classics to new to classics. So there has many earning because I have not any business account to log in that account. So I am using my personal Outlook account. That's why it shows that it's earning to purchase 365 subscription, or if you have activation kit, then enter that. So I'm trying to log in Classic Outlook using my personal um, Outlook mail accounts. So this is the classic Outlooks, and though I have not any subscription or activation key of this 365 Outlook, so there has many options is disabled. So if you want to use 365, you must have business account or paid version of Outlook. Then you will able to use all others features of Microsoft Classic Outlook. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.